In this tutorial, I'll show you how to claim your website on Pinterest. The benefit of claiming your website on Pinterest is that it makes your pins look credible on Pinterest. Also, you have access to analytics, which is very important. And last but not least, it makes Pinterest approve and promote links that you're gonna attach to your post. You must have a Pinterest business account and it's free. The arrow, click on it and click on settings, and over on the left you will see claim account. All right, click on it. Now as you can see right here, I have claimed this website already, but I no longer need it, so I will unclaim it first, then I'll show you how to claim. So I'm doing a 2-in-1 tutorial, so it's good. In future, if you want to know how to unclaim your website on Pinterest, you should know how to do it because of what I'm about to do. To unclaim, just click on unclaim, and there's a warning here. Are you sure you would like to unclaim this website link? And they'll give you a reason why. It may affect your existing RSS feed. If you're okay with it, then go ahead and click unclaim. Right now, I no longer have a website link to my Pinterest account. To claim, I will click on claim website. Choose how you want to claim it. You have the upload HTML file, and also you have the add TXT record, but in most cases the first option is the best, so I'll go with that. But it depends on the type of website you are using. But like I said, most websites accept HTML tag. So I'm gonna click to copy. All right, so once you click it, you've copied it. Please don't close this box yet because we have to come back. So next we'll go back to the website that we want to connect it to. So first you need to install a plugin. So I'll click, I have installed it already, but I'll show you. So click on plugin and click on add new. I know I have already, but I'll show you quickly. Click in here and WP code. As you can tell right here, WP code I have installed already. That's why it says active here, so you know this is the plugin you have to install. So I have it right here. Once you installed it, go back and I'll show you how it's gonna look on this. You see code snippet right here, so code snippet, and hover all the way up and you see header and footer. Click on it and then click inside the box beside the one and Control V, all right, to paste the code. And up here, click save changes up, click on it. It's saved right here, settings saved. Please don't forget to clear the site cache if you are using a code plugin. Now we're gonna go back to Pinterest and click on continue, and now we need to enter with the website link. This is the website link. If your website has www.your-site name or your website name, please make sure it's exactly like that. All right, but my website doesn't have www. Okay, this is the new style. Just check exactly what you have. Then next, click on verify. Then it's verifying your website. See, connected. This is 3 seconds, not even 5 seconds. It depends on the internet speed. Then click done. I don't even have to reload the page. It's showing right here. Let's go to the home page. Click on it. Yeah, and guess what? I have it right here. So this is how you claim your website. I hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to check other tutorials on this channel, including links under this video description. Thanks for your time.